Croeso nôl I hyn o nos Iau a chroeso getre ein gwestai nesaf ni hyn o. Mae siŵr fod yn hyfryd cael bod nôl yn Sir Gyfyrddin John Owen Jones. Hyfryd I gael dy gwmni di.
Wastad I nice.
Wel, hyfryd I gael ti yma fan hyn yn Llanelli. Japan last week, Llanelli tonight, and apparently the Japanese love John Owen Jones.
It would seem so, yes. It's my second visit now, and I'm going back again in August for some more sold-out concerts, and it's all because we've just launched my new album in Japan.
And we're glad that the album is here. 2014 spent in the studio then with your third album?
Most of it, yes. It was released in March this year, but I finished recording it in in fact, New Year's Eve. So, yeah, I'm very proud of it. I'm very excited that it's out and people can listen to it.
Oh, hyfryd. Well, back to Japan, and whilst you were out there, you had a bit of experience, I believe.
I did. It was my very first experience of an earthquake. They're used to it in Japan, of course, but I've never experienced it before, and I happened to experience it whilst I was singing a song on stage in front of 2,000 people. It was disconcerting, but we did carry on with the show. Nothing
Show
stopped.
must go on.
Of course, of course.
And where will John Owen Jones be over the next few months now?
Well, I'm doing the National Eisteddfod in Mayfod. Looking forward to that very much. It's movies and musicals, so that should be lots of fun. And I'm going back into the West End later in the year to do something which I can't tell you yet. More concerts promoting Rise, and tomorrow I'm in Dinas Powers Festival doing a solo show, so that should be lots of fun too.
And what will you be singing for us this evening?
Well, I'll be singing one of the bonus tracks on Rise. It's Bring Him Home, but I've recorded it in Welsh, and it's called Adre Nôl.
Oh, hyfryd. Edrych mlaen yn fawr. Diolch o galon, John. A phob hwyl dros y misoedd nesa. A sôn am Ddinas Powys, dyna le ni'n mynd nesa I ni John Owen Jones yn canu Adre Nôl o Les Mis. Diolch am eich cwmni, a nos da I chi.
Mae fel y mab y carwn ni Pe rhoi sair arglwydd fab I mi Mae'r hafain mynd fesulin A'r ffrasiog hynt Un rolin A minnau'n hen Rhaid mynd fy Ifanc yw o lleddau boen Cei rhoen o'i ddwyn dan hael a nef arbed